Hello Junior 2, how are you? Hope you're fine. Today we are going to deal with something called verb to be in the past, or as we call it, was and will. First of all, we want to know the meaning of the word past. The meaning of the word past means that it is something that happened and finished. Something that happened and finished. Let's deal with verb to be. As we all know, verb to be means that I'm going to put am or is or are. But what's new that we have now is that am and is and are, we use them to speak about something happening in the present, now. But if I'm talking about something that happened and finished, I'm going to use something called was or were. For example, I'm a teacher. Do you know this? I'm a teacher. So, can I say I am a teacher or I was a teacher? Yes, I am a teacher because I'm now a teacher. Now, I'm still a teacher. But, can I say I am a baby or I was a baby? Yes, I was a baby because this is something that happened and finished. Something happened and finished. So if you are talking about something that happened and finished, you're going to use something called was or were. Was or were. Now, let's know together, when do I use was and when do I use were? I use was with some pronouns which are I, he, she, it. Repeat after me. Was with I, he, she, it. Or as we know them, we call them singular pronouns. Singular pronouns. Anything which is one. One, not many. One. As for where, we use it with the pronouns they, we, and you. They, we, and you. Or the plural pronouns. Plural pronouns. How can I know that I'm going to use was or were? Or I'm going to use am or is or are? I'm going to use was and were if I find one of those words. Last, like for example last week, last month, last night, last year, last Monday, okay? Or ago, like for example, if I say 2 years ago, 2 months ago, 4 hours ago, and so on. Or we are going to use, or we are going to find the word yesterday. Yesterday. Yesterday means the previous day. The previous day. Okay, the day before today. Okay, so if I find one of those words, I'm going to use was or were. If I find now, I'm going to use am or is or are. Now, let's see how can I have the questions of was and were in our booklet. Open your booklets, page 61. 61. Let's answer the choice question together. We were or was or are at school yesterday. Yesterday. Can you see? So we said that if we have the word yesterday or last or ago, we're going to use was or were. Was or were. So with we, I'm going to use was or were. Yes, excellent. Were. Were. Number 1, we were at school yesterday. Number 2, John is or was or were sick yesterday. Yes, can you see? Yesterday. Shall I use is? No. So John, excellent, was. John was sick yesterday. Number 3. She was or were or is tired now. Now. Can I use was or were with now? Of course not. If I find now, I'm going to use am or is or are. So number 3 is. Yes, she is tired now. Number 4. They was, were, are at the park last week. Last week. Yes, were. Excellent. They, we use with it, were. Number 5. The children, many children, was or were or wasn't hungry. Yes, were hungry. The children were hungry. Number 6. My birthday, only one day. My birthday was or were or is yesterday. Yes, excellent. Was. How to form a negative sentence if I have was or were. As we all know, that the word negative means that we are going to add not to the helping verb. What are the helping verbs that we have here? Was or were. So, if I'm going to change a sentence into negative, was will be was not or wasn't. And were will be were not or weren't. If you look at your booklets, page 63, exercise B, you have some sentences. We want to change them into negative. Number 1, Dad was at home 2 hours ago. Yes, so Dad wasn't at home 2 hours ago. In this part, we're going to deal with some examples only, and you are going to finish the rest as homework. We're going to answer from 1 to 3, and then you are going to finish the rest. Number 2. The children were in the party last night. The children were in the party last night. So, yes, excellent. The children weren't in the party last night. The children weren't in the party last night. Number 3. My shoes were dirty yesterday. Yes, my shoes weren't dirty yesterday. So you're going to finish from number 4 till number 10. From number 4 till number 10, you're going to finish them. Okay? As for your homework for today, you're going to finish answering the exercise from pages 62 to 64, except exercise C on page 64. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.